Sunny.
Sunny. It's a sunny day, so I'm going to wear sunglasses and go for a walk.
Rainy.
Rainy. It's rainy outside, so don't forget your umbrella.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. The sky is cloudy, and it might rain later.
Snowy.
Snowy. It's snowy outside, and everything is covered in white.
Windy.
Windy. It's really windy today, so hold on to your hat.
Stormy.
Stormy. The weather is stormy, so it's better to stay indoors.
Gale.
Gale. It's not safe to walk in such a strong gale.
Tornado.
Tornado. The tornado was very strong and blew down trees.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. After the rain stopped, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky.
Hot.
Hot. It's really hot today, so I'm drinking a lot of water to stay cool.
Cold.
Cold. It's cold and chilly outside, so I'm wearing a warm jacket.
Foggy.
Foggy. It's foggy this morning, so it's hard to see the road clearly.
Misty.
Misty. The hills look misty in the distance, making the view very dreamy.
Humid.
Humid. The weather is very humid, and it feels sticky and warm.
Freezing.
Freezing. It's freezing outside, and the ground is covered in ice.
Dry.
Dry. The air is dry today, so I'm using some lotion for my skin.
Drought.
Drought. The region is in a drought, and they haven't had rain for months.
Heatwave.
Heatwave. A heat wave is hitting the city, making it very uncomfortable outside.
Thunder.
Thunder. The thunder was so loud last night that it woke me up.
Lightning.
Lightning. The lightning flashed across the sky, lighting up the whole area.
Breezy.
Breezy. It's breezy and cool today, perfect for a walk by the beach.
Warm.
Warm. It's warm enough to wear a t-shirt and enjoy the sunshine.
Clear.
Clear. The sky is clear, and you can see all the stars tonight.
Cool.
Cool. It's cool outside, perfect for a walk.
Chilly.
Chilly.
It's a bit chilly, so I'll wear a jacket.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
There's a blizzard, and snow is falling so heavily you can hardly see.
Overcast.
Overcast.
It looks like it's going to rain. It's so overcast.
Snowfall.
Snowfall.
We had a beautiful snowfall last night, and everything is white now.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
It's just a light drizzle, so I don't need an umbrella.
Hail.
Hail.
The hail was so heavy that it damaged some of the car windows.
Downpour.
Downpour.
We got caught in a downpour and got completely soaked.
Flood.
Flood.
The heavy rain caused a flood in the streets.
Sleet.
Sleet.
The roads are slippery because of the sleet, so drive carefully.